Hi, I'm Bella. Thank you for choosing ReturnGO. In this video, we will be diving into the returns portal. Every return request begins with the customer submitting their order number. At this point, ReturnGO checks whether the order and the items are eligible for return based on your return policy. Now, let's go over each stage of the returns process. Stage 1, select. The customer can choose one or more items they would like to return in this request. If there are items that are ineligible based on your return policy, or items that have already been handled in the previous request, this information will be clearly stated and customers will not be able to select them. Stage 2, describe. After selecting the relevant items, customers will then handle one item at a time. The first thing they will do is decide what action to take regarding the current item: exchange or return. Exchange options will always be listed first. When selecting this option, customers will be able to see which alternative items are available. If your policy includes a credit resolution, the return action will also say, "or get something else." Let's see what happens when the customer wants to make a quick exchange. Once they have chosen an alternative item, we'll then ask them why they wanted to return the original. Depending on the chosen reason for the return, customers may be asked a follow-up question. In some cases, this is followed by a request to attach a picture of the product. You can configure whether these are mandatory or not. In most instances, anything you see in this process is customizable. At this point, if this is the last item to be returned, the customer will proceed to the next stage. If not, they will repeat the same steps for the remaining items they have chosen to return. Stage 3, confirm. After handling each of the chosen items, customers are presented with a summary of their return request, which details each item selected, the chosen action for this item, and the reason for the return. Stage 4, resolve. In this case of a customer choosing to return a product, ReturnGO will present them with the optional resolutions per item based on your policy and setup. You can opt to include ReturnGO's instant credit resolutions here, which are based on AI and encourage customers to receive store credit instead of being directly refunded to their bank account. After selecting their desired resolutions, an RMA is created, and additional information such as shipping instructions is given. And that's it for the customer. Now it's up to you to manage the return. For guidance on how to do this, we've created another video to help you.